Budget versus actual. The board needs it by noon. Your spreadsheet has errors. REVO IT B1 Ask, AI assistant for SAP Business One. 100 minutes pulling trial balances, consolidating, building pivot tables. With B1 Ask, 30 seconds. Every variance revealed. Just ask, budget versus actual by cost center. No training needed. Pick your agents and go. Type it like you'd ask a colleague. The AI handles the rest. Instantly, budget versus actual for every cost center with variance. Your data, visualized instantly. No formatting, no formulas. One click. The CSV lands. Excel ready. Imagine, monthly budget variance reports already in your inbox. Quick follow-up. Which cost centers are over budget? Different angle. Budget utilization trend by month this quarter. SQL, charts, exports, scheduling, and follow-up queries, all from one chat. See it with your own data at revoit.eu/b1ask.